Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change camera settings in Call of Duty Mobile. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Call of Duty application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Call of Duty if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner, we have your achievements and everything. In the top left one, we have the store. In the top right corner, we have the settings. And in the bottom right corner, we have the start button. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and change camera settings in Call of Duty Mobile. First of all, launch the app on your device, as I told you. And then upon the gear icon at the top right corner to open settings menu, which is here. Then select the basic tab from the left side bar. So we have the basic tab here. And then scroll down to find the camera options. So you just need to go and scroll down to find the camera options. The moment when you find the camera options, then choose whether you want to use first person view or third person view. You can also adjust the field of view for the first person view. The suggested FOV is between 50 and 75, depending on your device's screen size. Once you made the selection, go back to the game to see the changes. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.